Viewers, today I want to show you some hidden tips and tricks of filter and advanced filter. This is available in the data tab here in Excel, filter, advanced filter. Sometimes we need to filter, for example, if I have a database here and I want to filter only those from Peshawar and whose person achievement is greater than a specific percentage. So I will apply filter, then I will go to city, and here I will select Peshawar, then I will go to person achievement, and here I will have to go, because here I would have a lot of data. So I will go to number filter and then greater than or equal to, and here I would say if I want greater than 50%, so I would say 0.5, and okay, so it would filter that record. And if I need to copy it, so I will copy and paste to another place. But there is an easy trick. You need to write that criteria here. For example, if I need people from Peshawar whose person achievement is greater than or equal to 50%, so, and I want to copy that to another place, so I would go to that place where I want to copy this information, and there I would click advanced filter. Here I would not select the filter the list. I would say copy to another location. If I want to filter, then I would select this, but I now want to copy that to another location. So copy list range. Here you see I will range all this database along with the headings, header columns also. And then criteria range. What is the criteria range? This is my criteria range. Here I have written it. Wherever you have inserted this criteria range, you just go there and select along with the column headings. And then where I want to paste it, here, so I would just click OK, and here you would see that one person from Peshawar whose person achievement is greater than 71% is copied here. Now if in this data there are multiple records, so it would copy all the records. For example, if you want that only male, I want to copy only male from this place to another location, so you just go to filter and click male and then copy them and paste them. But if you want that not only male but male and whose age is a specific age and whose person achievement is from specific range, so just write that criteria here. And now for example, my criteria is whose city is this, person achievement is 50%, and age is greater than 20. For example, if I add these three criteria now, and I want that this criteria should be copied to another place, so I will go to that place, to that blank sheet, and there I would click. You must go to that sheet and then click advanced filter. Here in the list range, come and select all your database. If you have given a table name to your database, just write that table name here. What is my criteria? This is my criteria. These three options. I selected those three options here. Okay, and where I want to paste it, I want to paste it here, so I will just press OK. Now you see here it shows me the shower only male and whose person achievement is 71%, because in this data there is only one male, that is from Peshawar, whose person achievement is greater than 50%, and that is this person. So you can use this option, write your criterias here and just apply this techniques. Now, if you just want to filter my data, not copy it, just filter my data on a specific criteria. So write your criteria in this place, select your whole uh, database, go to advanced filter. Do not select copy to another selection. Just say filter the list in the place. And my database is this one. Criteria range is this one. This is my criteria range. And I just want to filter people who are in this criteria. Okay. So you see, it's filter. Now, if I have some more people from Peshawar, for example, if this one percentage is also increased to 93%, and if this one is also male, so now you see, I just range it, advanced filter. I just want to filter. This is my database, this is my criteria range, and okay, now you see there are two people who have been filtered, and now you can also just copy it and paste it in some place. So write your criteria here. That would make it easy for you to go to each column and filter that criteria. Just write that criteria and select it in the advanced. Now, if you want that I want to copy this database based on this criteria, but not the whole column, I just need few columns. For example, if I want that I just need name, gender, city, email, and percent achievement. If I just want these columns, so I will go to that sheet, and there I would paste these column, the header, the headers of those column. And now what I will have to do, I will go to the advanced filter option, okay, and I would say copy to another selection, go to the database, select your complete database, then show the criteria. And when you come here, so do not just click in a cell, select those column which you want here, and okay, so it just give you those two people with only those information that you wanted from it. So these are some very important tips in the advanced filter that I wanted to share with you. Dears, I have shared many other tutorial like this on my channel. So subscribe the channel, watch the videos and improve your skills, and subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.